Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, today is a day that we saw a depegging of USDC, which as you can see guys, it falls to 87 cents after the cycle discloses exposure to Silicon Valley Bank. And as you know guys, the last couple of days we experienced the Silvergate Bank into bankruptcy and also the Silicon Valley Bank into bankruptcy, which indicate us all the things that I was screaming you weeks ago, that we're gonna dive into very bad bearish situations because the fundamentals guys was screaming that we're gonna dive into those very bad things. And guys, the worst is yet to come, which means that we are about to see more bankruptcies, and probably guys there is a big rumors, and I believe that there is a big scenario that we're going to dive into a recession. And guys, all these things are about to collapse the stock market and of course subsequently the crypto market, and they're going to create lots of fear, which going to remind us the year of 2008. So on this video guys, I will prepare you where we are heading for the short term, mid term and long term for the Bitcoin price. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like you to go on my Twitter, follow me on Twitter, because there I'm updating you whatever is happening within a day for the crypto space. And also guys, before we continue, I would like you to smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much continue this journey, and with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, and share with friends, and share in your social media, you actually help me so much and appreciate it for this help support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone, and let's dive straight to the daily time frame to begin our analysis, because we're gonna have lots of things to cover out on this video. So guys, initially as we broke this massive support area at $22,150, we actually flipped the trend, and from this uptrend movement we moved into a downtrend movement, which as you can clearly see is this road path. And I have warned you guys for this very bad downtrend movement weeks ago. Okay, when the Bitcoin price was retesting this $25,000 resistance area, I was screaming you that this is actually the biggest bull trap that we have ever experienced. And my justification of that always was the fundamentals. Fundamentals was that the global economy is going from bad to worse. So that means that we're gonna experience bankruptcies, very high inflation rates for very extended periods, and all these things which actually is happening right now. And guys, we have also the confirmation of the SP 500, which is very major indicator for the Bitcoin price, because if the stock market of course gonna crash guys, Bitcoin gonna collapse too. Okay, and mostly Bitcoin is following right now the SP 500. Of course, we didn't actually decouple from SP 500 like most people believed on this kind of a bullish action, which was ridiculous funny, that according to the current adoption that we have for the Bitcoin price to decouple from SP 500. This was really funny, but that's for another topic. And let's focus right now on the analysis, because guys, you're gonna notice that after we broke out this massive support area of this uptrend movement, we created here guys a bearish pennant, and you can clearly see this as a beautiful formation. And as you know guys, this bear pennant are very bearish patterns, and all we are waiting right now is to do a reversal to retest this massive support for the Bitcoin price, which is around the $20,065. And guys, I believe that if we're gonna come back to this support area to retest it, we're gonna have a breakout. And you're gonna ask me, Chris, give us right now the technical price target. And guys, you're gonna notice by yourself that this technical price target, when we're gonna break it, which I believe a lot guys to this bearish pennant, that we're gonna break it to the downside, and we're gonna get guys straight to $17,700. So yes guys, if you ask me if we can get that low, of course we can get that low, and probably we're gonna get even lower than that, which I'm gonna show you in a very few how low is that low. So before actually we're gonna show you the bigger time frame, in a weekly time frame I would like to show you a very important support for the daily time frame. Okay, it's a daily support, which is the 18,400 $20,400. Guys, if we're gonna break this support, then of course we're gonna get there to this technical price target of this bearish pennant inevitably, but there is a lots probabilities to see furthermore free fall into a lower price, lower than this technical price target, and we're gonna get close to $16,000 area, which is something that only in your imagination create really big fear. So this is the reality, guys, and you should stay strong psychologically on this current very bad situation that we are about to dive in. Okay, you will need to hold really tight your bitcoins, and of course to accumulate as many altcoins as possible, and of course Bitcoin on this very big bloodbath that's about to come. Okay, also right now you can clearly see that we are retesting the previous support as a resistance. We're gonna see if we're gonna actually surpass it or we're gonna see the reversal. And as you can clearly understand, I give more odds to reversal rather to break it and stay above this $20,400 area. Of course there is probabilities to happen, but are very low, those probabilities. Also guys, the SP500 is moving into a downtrend movement, and we are waiting the markets on Monday to open to actually see how we're going to react. And to be honest with you guys, I believe that we're going to experience massive free fall, because we saw the Silicon Valley Bank into bankruptcy. We saw before a couple of days the Silvergate Bank, and I believe in the next coming weeks you're gonna notice, guys, lots of banks into bankruptcy. So that's gonna create big dumps on the market, which is gonna lead us back to very low numbers. Also guys, DIX is moving into an uptrend movement, which is an indication that if we're gonna see a continuation to this uptrend movement on Monday, we're gonna have furthermore drop for the SP500 and subsequently for the Bitcoin price. Okay, and let's go guys into the worst case scenario, which on this way is for me exactly this pattern, this descending broadening wedge. From technical side, guys, I believe that we're gonna follow exactly this path, and I have been telling you guys about this pattern when the price of Bitcoin was retesting this $25,000 area. I told you that from this point we're gonna dive back to $12,000 area, and then we're gonna reverse and break all the resistance that we're gonna have ahead of us, and we're gonna jump from the bear market into the bull market. Okay, and of course, if you ask me where I believe this is about to happen, I believe, guys, that in Q4 we're gonna start building the bullish territory, and very slowly, and in the 2024 we are gonna see big numbers for the Bitcoin price. Okay, this is exactly what I believe. And guys, here I would like just to show you some very important indicators. Of those indicators is the EMA ribbon, which is going for a flip into a daily time frame, which is very important indicator. If we're gonna see the flip and actually the bearish territory building for the EMA ribbon, it's gonna be a very crucial point, the time that we're gonna flip berries. Also the super trend indicator, guys, is very bearish days ago. Guys, in the 8-hour time frame we are going for a very important death cross, which is the exponential moving average 50 and 200. We saw this death cross at the 4-hour time frame, and if this death cross is gonna happen on the 8-hour time frame, then the situation is gonna become extremely bearish. Okay, and I believe that we're gonna do free fall straight to $18,400 if this death cross will happen. Okay, and as a summary, guys, I believe that we're gonna move into a sideways movement inside of this bearish pennant, and I believe from Sunday night until Monday morning, which the market's gonna open, we're gonna break this massive support area of this bearish pennant, and we're gonna move straight into the technicals with big dumps on the Bitcoin price, and of course probably for the SP500. This is exactly what I believe it's gonna happen. So I'm waiting to move sideways until Sunday night, and this is where I give the most odds. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions, drop it down below in the comment section. Follow me on Twitter, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.